wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jannat. I am a student. I reading class Hifz. I come from Jadpur. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. والصلاة والسلام رسول أمين. وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. The Honorable President of the Annual Prize in Ceremony and Scholarship Reception Program and by Dulalpur Boys and Girls Cadet Madrasa, Humnakumillah Prize respectable Chief Guest, Special Guest, the Honorable Chief of the Madrasa, respectable teachers and guardian, at first check my cordial salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are very happy to have you here at this happy moment. Their presence sparks and regain our body. Fit and cultural program, our mind, body are delicate. To each other to make good have everyone should very regularly. To get very poetry and from study. And last beginning dua, I finish my speech. Thanks all Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.